Thank you for the opportunity to discuss crimes against humanity committed by Chinese government in the Uyghur region. In February 2018, my father sent me a WeChat message saying, "Son, they're taking me." Since then, I have lost connection with my father. My father is 67 years old, retired businessman, and he did not need any job education. Just like my father, thousands of entrepreneurs, businessmen, scientists, scholars, including the president of Xinjiang University, Dr. Tashfila Teeb, currently sentenced to death, did not need any re-education either. China is massively detaining innocent Uyghur people without any legal procedure and sending them to so-called re-education camps. According to credible sources, there are more than 2 million people detained in those de facto concentration camps. We can see now Chinese internal policies can damage global human rights and global peace. Uyghurs around the world can't contact their family either due to complete loss of access or they fear of Chinese government will retaliate against them for making international phone calls. As such, the Uyghur region is now became the largest open prison in the planet Earth. In response, my human rights colleague wants me to ask United Nations to create a special rapporteur for the concentration camps in Uyghur region in China. My questions are shared by all Uyghurs around the world. To the United Nations, what will you do about these concentration camps in China? And to the Chinese government, where is my father? Thank you, Madam President.